Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. You're most welcome in my motivational session. Well, today we are going to know what comes between you and a big dream. Are you ready to know? Yes. Are you ready to know? Yes. Well, today we are going to start this motivational session, and I hope now it's clear that after this session you will find a great change in you. And definitely, whatever the level you have, you will find some changes in you. You will find the above the your level. So today we are going to start what comes between you and your dream. Really, we people are here with our big dream. If you have come here just because of your dream, I hope you have some dream. Hello? Yes. Do you have? Yes. Really? Yes. Are you excited to know what comes between you and your dream? Yes. Hello? Yes. Not excited? Yes. You guys excited? Yes. Really? Yes. Well, this seminar, this session, I am not going to start by me. I am going to start by you. Are you ready to share your some experiences with me which you have done? I hope you have achieved your many more goal. आपने बहुत कुछ किया होगा लाइफ में, बट हम सबसे पहले आपसे स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है? क्या होता है जब हम अपने गोल को फिक्स करते हैं? क्या होता है जब हम कुछ पाना चाहते हैं? क्या होता है जब हम कुछ बड़े बनना चाहते हैं? Whatever you want to be, whatever you have become, I want to have just discuss with you about your experiences. Just because of you, what is happening with you? What comes between you and your dream? Are you ready to share your experiences? Yes! Well, who is coming first to share their experiences? What comes between you and your big dream? Anyone, please? You. Yeah, what comes between your dream?
Money.
Money? Oh, great. Coming for her. Okay. And
Society.
society. Very good. Great. Clapping for her. Give mic to her.
Fame.
Pardon?
Fame.
Fame. Oh, great. Anyone else, please? Those who are going to share their own experiences.
M.
Time?
M.
Pardon?
M.
M?
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Anyone, please? Yeah, you. Please. Give mic to this girl. Please. You.
Education.
Education. Oh, very good. Clapping for this boy. Please give mic to this girl. Yeah, please. You want to say something?
Hesitation.
Hesitation. Wow, very good.
Success.
Success. Okay, great.
Limitation.
Limitation. Okay, great. Knowledge. Knowledge. Okay. The way. How to choose the correct way. Okay, great. Jumping for him. Experiences. As you told me, money comes, fame comes, success comes, goal comes, and many more, as you have said to me. Well, today I am going to share with on my experiences. This is quite my experiences that what comes exactly you and your big. Hello. Please loud. You and your big dream. Don't talk about a small dream. You have so much small dreams. Today we are going to talk just about big dream. Hello? Yes. About? Yes. Really? Yes. Are you excited to know what comes exactly between you and a dream? Yes. Hello? Yes. Please loud, more loud. Yes. Yes, really. Today I am going to tell you on my experiences. What is my experiences in this career, and I have learned a lot of things while teaching tuitions and many more things. And today I am going to share the thing which really I have learned from my life, the thing called, it's called lack of motivation. Hello? Yes. Did you feel that? Yes. Have you ever felt that the lack of motivation come between you and your dream? Yes. Hello? Yes. Good. Today I am going to tell you that what is lack of motivation. ये lack of motivation क्या है? ये क्या करता है? What is its work? इसका काम क्या होता है exactly? क्यों हम बोलते हैं कि lack of motivation हम कुछ चीज को पा नहीं सकते हैं? क्या है? Just I am going to start this seminar with one story. Are you ready to listen to a story? Yes. the story will tell you that really what is the importance of motivation in our life. Well, there was one person, he was very happy in his life. He had kids, wife, and everything. He was so much happy in his life. He was working, he was going his office, coming from there, and he was enjoying his life so much. Instantly what happened, one day that person, he lost his both end in his company. You know what happened when this incident happened with the person? He started problem. He started so many problems in his life. And after some year, after some month, year goes, everybody was cooperating. But after some time, he found that, यार मुझे कोई cooperation नहीं मिल रहा family से. Everybody is denying this kind of person. Nobody is cooperating this person. And बहुत problem आने लगा उसके पास, financial problem, and their brothers separated him. Many types of problem he started to come in front of him. क्या हुआ? At last, he thought, यार कुछ तो करना चाहिए मुझे. At last he was unable to do. कुछ कर नहीं पा रहा था. भाई हाथ में क्या करेगा? कुछ नहीं कर सकता. He thought like that. At last he thought कि भी मेरी वाइफ भी कुछ नहीं कर रही, मैं भी नहीं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, फैमिली की सर्वाइविंग कैसे होगी? तो सही प्रॉब्लम फेस होने लगे. At last he thought that चलो यार मैं सुसाइड कर लेता हूँ. उसके बाद क्या होगा कि कम से कम मेरी वाइफ will get again married and will conduct her life. उसने ऐसा डिसाइड किया. He went to suicide spot. ठीक है? When he was trying to क्या? Some person came to him and there was an old man. He came to him and he asked, "भी क्या करने जा रहे हो तुम?" उसने बोला, "भी सुसाइड करने जा रहा हूँ." क्या प्रॉब्लम है? भी मेरे पास एक प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे पास दो प्रॉब्लम है, ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे पास हाथ नहीं है, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता, समथिंग लाइक दैट. उसने बोला ठीक है. मीन टू से अगर हम सारा होलसेल बात करें तो सारी प्रॉब्लम किसकी है? हेलो, हु सेड बिटवीन कम्स एंड व्हाट लव्स बिटवीन योर ड्रीम? मनी. हु सेड मनी? Money, everyone is girl. He said that I have problem of money. Main problem is money. इसके बाद बहुत से पैसा आ जाएगा तो फिर प्रॉब्लम है. सुसाइड करने का तो मैटर नहीं बनता है, राइट ना? He said, how much money you want? Tell me. Do you want 1 lakh rupees? See, no. क्या होगा 1 lakh rupees? It will go 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. Then he said, फिर क्या चाहिए आपको? He said that कि चलो आपको 2 लाख दिया मैंने. नहीं, 2 लाख से भी कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. 5 लाख दिया, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. चलो 10 लाख दिया. यार क्या मजाक कर रहे हो तुम? मुझे मेरा काम करने दो ना. Why would you serving to me? उसने सॉल्विंग किया उसने. नहीं, डेफिनेटली आई विल गिव यू 10 लाख रुपीज. डेफिनेटली आई विल गिव यू 10 लाख रुपीज. बट आपको उसके लिए मुझे कुछ देना पड़ेगा. He said, मेरे पास है क्या देने के लिए? मेरे पास तो कुछ भी नहीं है. I have no hand. And what will I give to you? No, you have lots of things. You can give it to me. बोले क्या देना पड़ेगा आपको? बोले चलो एक काम करो. 1 लाख के लिए आपकी मैं एक आइज लूंगा, ठीक है? दूसरे आंख के लिए दूसरी आइज लूंगा. नेक्स्ट लाख के लिए आपकी किडनी लूंगा. इस तरह से पूरी बॉडी पार्ट का उसका डिमांड करके 10 लाख रुपये बता देगा. एट लास्ट से आपको और भी पैसे चाहिए तो आप अपनी वाइफ को दे देना मुझे. तो कितना बुरा लगेगा? हेलो, he feel very bad. What the hell are you talking here? So at last he don't take suicide. He came to home. घर आ गया. रात को सोचता था यार बंदे ने कुछ तो बोला कि 10 लाख रुपए की बात किया, मेरी वाइफ लेने की बात किया, मेरी आंख लेने की बात किया, कुछ तो है मेरे पास. प्लीज कैश इट. ये जो डीडी पड़ा हुआ है, चेक पड़ा है, इसे कैश करते हैं आप. उसने क्या किया? घर पे सोचता रहा, रात को सोचता रहा, जागा नहीं, जागता रहा, रात भर सोचता रहा, बहुत सारी बातें सोचा कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए. एट लास्ट व्हेन ही गॉट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, ही गॉट एन आइडिया. उसे एक आइडिया मिले. ही वेंट टू मिल्कमैन शॉप. ही सेड, भाई साहब मैं आपका दूध बेचना चाहता हूँ. भी आप एक काम करना, मेरी जो शोल्डर है इस पर आप कैन लटका देना, मैं शॉप मैं घर लेके जाऊंगा एंड आई विल सेल इट. ही सेड, वेरी गुड, चलो लेट्स ट्राई, देखते हैं क्या होता है. Then he went to sell milk. देखने चला गया. सबसे पहले देखने गया. हाँ भाई, दूध हो गया? Definitely लेगा भाई. When he find the case of that person, he is hand, still he is selling milk. कितना अच्छा लगेगा ना हमें भी? हेलो? तो उसने दूध बेचना शुरू कर दिया, उसको दूध मिल गया। देखते देखते उसके कस्टमर बढ़ने लगे। ही इंक्रीज कस्टमर, सो बस बहुत सारे कस्टमर इंक्रीज हो गए उसके बाद अच्छी सेल हुई उसकी। फर्स्ट डे, नेक्स्ट डे भी सेल हुई और सेल होने लगी। डेली बेचने लगा सेल। उसकी वाइफ उसको कॉपरेट करने लगी, बच्चे कॉपरेट करने लगे, फैमिली में थोड़ी सी खुशी आने लगी। उसके बाद क्या हुआ? ही बॉट अ वन बफेलो आफ्टर 2 months, 3 months, 5 months. चलो फिर उसकी वाइफ और हेल्प करने लगी। आफ्टर सम टाइम, नॉट आफ्टर सम ईयर, ही बिकेम द ऑनर ऑफ अ डेयरी फार्म।